and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. In today's video I'm going to be doing part 1 of my hallway makeover. So I'm going to be showing you where it's currently at. There's still some bits to do, so there'll be a follow-up part to show those changes as well, but I promised I would upload my progress, so here it is. Don't forget to like the video if you like the makeover, and don't forget to comment down below. You can tell me what you would do, what you would change, what you would add. Obviously I've still got some bits to do, so if you want to give your suggestions, now is the time. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and don't forget to share this video if there's anyone out there that you know of that maybe is doing a hallway makeover, or maybe they want some inspiration, maybe they're thinking of using similar colours. Share the video so that they can see as well. Okay, so this is all the preparation for the flooring to go down in the downstairs toilet and in the hallway. So as you can see, we've moved the toilet out and the sink, and also taken the tiles off because we had to move the sink. All of the baseboards have gone as well, and then the flooring can go down. So the flooring is going to go underneath the skirting boards rather than up against it, just so that it's properly finished off. To be able to lay the flooring properly, you have to find the centre point of the room and draw a line, and also mark where the 90-degree angle is going to go as well. We use the recommended adhesive that matches the same brand as the floor. So once you've marked out where the first pieces are going to go and you've marked where the centre is, then you can just start spreading the glue over the area where the flooring is going to go, making sure that there's a decent amount on there. And you can use the kind of trowel, I guess, I'm not quite sure what it's called, that he's using, because it gets like lines in it, so it's not smooth. It's kind of like when you're doing tiling. The grooves help it to have a better bond. So as you can see, you don't have to do them one at a time. You can put a few pieces together and then sort of build up from there, which is, I guess, a more efficient way of doing it. And then once you have most of the pieces in place, then it's just about cutting the edge pieces so that they fit into the gaps that are left. That bit is quite time consuming, the rest of it's easy, but this bit here takes a while to cut the right angles. Okay, so I've randomly decided to do some painting because I have a little tester pot and I want to try the colour out in the hallway. So that's what I'm going to do. I don't have everything that I'm supposed to have. I can't find any masking tape, so I'm not going to do the edges properly. I'm just going to do the middle parts, and we'll see how it goes. So on this bit, I'm going to measure how tall that is, and it's going to go all the way along there, so that it's not quite halfway, but it's probably like a third of the way or so. So I'm just going to use a ruler and a pencil to mark it, and then I'm going to tape it, and then I'm going to paint it. And as you can see, I got some masking tape, so I'm going to do it properly. now I'm going to show you the before and after tours so that you can see how the space developed from the beginning. Okay, so these flowers are just from Sainsbury's and the vase is from HomeSense, which is the home version of TK Maxx. It like has the same stuff as TK Maxx but a bit more because it's just for home stuff, not clothes and other bits and pieces. This mirror is also from there. At the moment it's just resting on the radiator cover, but I'm going to hang it on the wall most likely, but for now I'm just leaving it like that. This little tray, you may have seen it in my previous videos because I've had it since the flat, and it's just like a little drop tray so that when people come in or when I come in I can just put my stuff on there. This little frame was also from HomeSense, and the candle was free from Persimmon. It was in my box if you saw the unboxing video. This radiator cover is from Screw Fixed. I can't remember how much it costed, about £100 or so. They have a smaller version and then they have a larger version as well. So it's a little bit wider than the radiator. You can see the radiator kind of stops there, but just to kind of give a bit more of an entryway table because that little wall there isn't very deep, and so this was the best size that I could find for like a console table. So it's a radiator cover and a table all in one, which is quite nice. Okay, so the flooring is Elka flooring. It's engineered wood and it's the dark smoke colour. I'll put a link to where I found the cheapest quote from so that if you like this, you can have a look and order it yourself. That's just from IKEA. They have quite a lot of cheap doormats. At some point, I'm also gonna make a cover for this electrical box because it doesn't look particularly great like that. I'm just not sure what I want it to look like. I've cut the wood already to fit it, but I don't know what colour I want it. I was thinking maybe to put some writing on it, or I don't know, we'll see. Here we just got a Monstera plant from IKEA just hanging out. I don't think it's going to end up staying there. I actually want to get a something for shoes here so that I can have somewhere to store my shoes, and also that serves as a little table as well. I might have some art and something on there because this isn't quite finished, as you can see. Also, I need to get something to go on here. It might be a quote of some sort, maybe in like a gold frame or something. We'll see. The carpet is coming on Tuesday, which is great because it's very dusty. So I feel like there's just dust everywhere, but once that goes down, then that'll be brilliant. And also it will absorb the sound a bit better. At the moment, you might be able to hear it echoing. Also, it sounds quite noisy when you're going up and down the stairs. Okay, so towards the top of the stairs, I've got this plant that is on a plant stand, which also came from HomeSense. It's got like a marble effect top on it, and it's just a spider plant, which is a good one for removing toxins in the air. It gets rid of some of the toxins that are in glues, so especially if you are doing renovations or you're maybe moving into a new build, sometimes you can smell the air quality isn't quite good. So getting a plant like this one, and also like the mother-in-law's tongues ones, there's quite a few. You can search up which ones are good for doing that, but this one is a good one. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'm obviously working on other areas of the house as well, so as and when I can get those videos sorted, I will post them as well, so stay tuned for more things. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and leave a comment and share with a friend. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video.